There's a snook. There we go. I got him at, or a jack, one or the other. I think it's a jack, actually. It is a jack. Little yellowtail back here in the bushes. Nice little fish. A strong fish, too. There's a little yellowtail. He's not very big. Nice little fish. Strong little fish. Up here in the back country. Back in here where you fish till you have to back out. Alright, buddy. See ya. Well, that might have been a snook. Something. I got it, whatever it is. I think it's a red. Yeah, it's a red. It was a redfish. Oh well. Oh, there he is. There's something. Still there. There we go. That's a little snook. That's probably what was smacking it a minute ago. Got him on this Yozuri topwater. Caught a peanut bunker. Come on, buddy. It is. It's a dinkster. Nice little snook. Threw the old thermometer in there in the water a minute ago and 83.5. Tide's just starting to go out back here in the middle of nowhere. Pretty place back here in nowhere. There you go. I think it's a redfish. Took him a few seconds to think about that. Not a big fish. But a nice fish for back here in the bushes. And I am in the bushes. Kind of a hungry critter there. He came off that bank pretty hard. Changed over to my top water. I got a skitter walk on here now. It's a little bit smaller top water. Well, he sure has got a mouth of that critter. 2 or 23 maybe. Nice fish. Back here in the tannic. A little bit bigger than I thought, 24. That's a nice fish, healthy fish too. I like this old skinny back here. All right, big guy. Catch you later. There's Mr. Manatee. Up here in the bay, and I got a trout on. Slinging the Mirrodine. I think this is what this is. What have we got here? Oh, ladyfish. Thought it was a trout ski. Something else on. What I got this time? Oh, wonderful. That's what I think it is. It is. There's the oddball one, a rabbit puffer. He's good to eat too. Ain't much of it. Yep, that's what that is. I got a fish on, and it's a big one. Look at that gigantic trout. I got him on a small Mirrodine. Actually, I'm using a size 14. I usually use a 17. And I thought I'd throw some smaller baits. But that's, hey, that's at least 8 inches. He's a honker.